John-Marc, and I'm excited to share this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. If you're ready and you have your pencil and paper, I think you're going to have a fun time learning how to draw this cartoon fish. Yeah, the one holding the lamp. Go figure. Anyway, so I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Let's go. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. So what can you take home from this lesson, as I say from time to time? Well, practice your sketching. I always want to share that one. Challenge yourself. Well, in this case, I just be more creative. A fish with a lamp? Really? It's just being silly and fun. What I wanted to share with you is how you can use your imagination and be creative. That's all. So I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.